you're a little too close. Back up just a little bit. Quick life update. I'm no longer in nursing school. I'm in cosmetology school. I'm halfway through. I'm going after my passion in life, and I'm extremely, extremely happy. So I kind of wanted to get back into my hobbies that also make me extremely happy. What I wanted to show you today was, as you can see, my hair is pretty dirty. It's like second or third day hair. I think third. Yeah, third. And my waves are falling out and my roots are pretty greasy. So I wanted to show you how I would style second, third, maybe even fourth day hair if you can get away with it. I use the TG bed head. I think this is an 1.25" wand. I'm not sure. I'll leave it in the description if I can find it. I got it on Amazon for like 20 bucks, maybe. I wanted to show you how I personally style second and third day hair or refresh loose beach waves. So that is what we're gonna do today. I went ahead and brushing out any tangles. I did brush my hair already this morning when I brushed my teeth, so there shouldn't be any tangles. Oh, yuck. You see how flat that is to my head? Gross. So I'm actually going to be using my Kenra Volume Dry Shampoo. Now you don't have to use professional dry shampoo. There's a lot of good drugstore dry shampoos out there. One of them that I really like is the Batiste one. It just depends. So what I do is I flip a section of hair over, and you want to spray not directly at your roots. I mean directly at your roots, but you don't want to spray right on them. And then you kind of section another piece. And then I just let it sit for a few minutes. You see how much like volume that already gave me? So while that's sitting, I am gonna take my KMS ThermaShape. I'm just doing this mostly to protect my hair from any heat damage. I don't spray a lot because it does have a little bit of a hold to it. So I'm gonna let this sit for a few minutes, and then we're gonna rub it in while my wand is heating up. Okay, so now that that's had a chance to sit for a few minutes, you want to just take your fingers wow, this is a look. Okay, we're done. Just kidding. So now I go back in and I actually brush through my hair again because the dry shampoo and the heat protectant can make it kind of stiff. So it actually works best if you can use it the day before or the night before. If you sprayed in your hair the night before, you're gonna need it and let it soak in overnight and really like work its magic. It works best. I'm gonna section my hair. I don't know what I did with my clip, actually. Split my hair in half just to make it easier to curl. And I start with the back pieces so that I'm not having to work over top of the front pieces. So I'll start with a little piece like this. And you want to take your wand and point it down and wrap around. And I don't wrap all the way around because I like my ends to be straight. So just hold it for a few seconds. And I do catch the curl and then let it go. You see? Turns out like a cute little beach wave. Let me show you again. And you don't have to grab pieces this big. You can grab them smaller, you can grab them bigger. I'd recommend about the size that I'm grabbing because it'll make it easier for you and the curl will hold longer and better. So it doesn't have to be super tight. See how I just wrap it twice? And again, you don't want to hold it too long because you want them to be beachy waves. Okay, now I'm going to do the other side. Same thing, opposite direction. And I always curl away from my face. It's just personal preference. I think it looks better, but it's totally up to you and how you want your curls to look.
Stay high for the most of the time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your car. Waking up on your sofa next to half-filled bottles from last night. I don't even know where we are. I'm naked and I don't know you.
Okay.
But if you wanna go
The
some
only pieces I have left are these little pieces right here. I am a little funny about the pieces around my face, like I said, because I don't want them too curly. So I take pretty big sections, decent sized sections, and I wrap it pretty loosely, and I only hold it for a few seconds. Because like they're already pretty much curled, as you can see. That's what's left of them. And they're gonna get put behind my ear at some point anyways, so there's really no point in making them perfect. This one in half. Seconds. Now this one I only wrap twice because this is the one that more than likely is gonna get put behind my ear. So see how loose that one is? I'm fine with that. It does not have to be perfect. Matter of fact, that's probably the ugliest curl, but that's okay. So then, if you really, really wanted them to last, I would say don't brush them out yet. Go ahead and spray them, let them completely cool off. If you're okay with them falling out just a little bit and don't want them to be super tight, go ahead and brush them out now and then spray them. So because I really don't care if they fall out a little bit, a lot, I'm gonna go ahead and brush it now. And don't be afraid to brush them out because it's not gonna pull the curl completely out. And if you really wanted the ends to be super, super straight, Like how some of these pieces right here are a little curled at the end. You could even take a straightener and straighten the ends. I know it's gonna fall, so I'm not that worried about it. And like I said, this piece more than likely will get tucked behind my ear at some point. That's why I'm not too worried about it. I am just gonna hit my roots one more time with dry shampoo. So, 1 second. 3rd or 4th day hair for me, so that's why I use so much dry shampoo. You should not have to if it's only like 2nd or 3rd day hair. And like these pieces like this that are kind of a little bit straighter, I don't mind. It doesn't bother me. If you wanted to go back and hit it real quick with the wand one time, do it. Doesn't bother me. I kind of like the way it looks when you have a couple of straight pieces and a couple of wavy pieces. And the more you mess with them and the more you fluff them, the more they're gonna fall out. So I would suggest if your hair doesn't hold a curl that well and you want them to just stay wavy, not to mess with them. And then I'm gonna use the KMS hairspray. This is the Firm Finishing Spray. And it is a pretty strong hairspray. And it's supposed to be long lasting. I think it is. I'm just gonna barely spritz my hair. Just I don't like the way hairspray feels in my hair. I like my hair to still feel like pretty loose. And that's it. This is what they look like up close. And like I said, you can fluff them, you can leave them. This piece always gets tucked like this, so that's why I'm not worried about it. This is the back. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So this is how I style my 2nd and 3rd day beach waves and kind of refresh them. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. If you have any requests, leave them down in the comments below. Stay tuned, because now that I am in a good mental space and happy and enjoying every second of school, I plan on posting more videos, because I'm learning so much in school that I feel like, why not share it? Why not make you a part of it? So yeah, I am going to be doing an updated brow routine, because I'm pretty sure the other video that I had, I either deleted or it got deleted. I'm not really sure, but either way, it's gone. And I have a lot of people that ask me about how to do eyebrows all the time. I did fill them in with powder today. So they look a little bit more natural. The powder is just a little dark because I am so blonde right now. But that's okay. It is what it is. So I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you like. If you don't like, maybe next time. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.